Hello, leadership class. Welcome to Wednesday, April 22nd. It's Earth Day. Hopefully it's a decent enough day to get outside and maybe pick up some garbage or just be one with nature. Hopefully, right? Because we're all going crazy inside. So today I wanted to do a quick video to go over just kind of what the next 3 or 4 days are going to be like as we try to conclude the unit on what is leadership. Okay, so for today, there really is just one slide here, but I want to go over the next couple of days along with this. So beginning today, Wednesday, we are going to start digging into how to draft and create our own definition of leadership. I have an article for you today that includes 99 definitions because one is repeated. I don't know how that happened. Whose editor was that? I don't know. But anyway, there is an article with 99 definitions of what leadership is according to a bunch of different backgrounded people. Some have been politicians, some of them are teachers, some of them are professional speakers, some of them are anonymous, and so you won't know who they are. But what you're going to do these next couple of days is read articles, you will watch videos, and I want you thinking about what is leadership, a definition of what is leadership. So start jotting down some ideas. Each day with the videos or the articles, I will ask you to do a discussion board to help kind of organize your ideas and what were the main points that you came up with, and talk to each other about your development of the idea of leadership. And then next Monday, I am going to ask that you share with the rest of us your definition of leadership. One little thing that I want you to keep in mind is that through this exploration, as you're gathering ideas, in the end, your definition will not be able to be more than 5 sentences. The reason I do that is because I want you to have a very clear, concise word choice when it comes to your definition of leadership. We don't want to be redundant. We don't want to be saying the same thing over and over. We want to use our sentences to really get to the point of what is important for you. Okay? Now, you don't have to have 5 sentences, but that will be our max. It will be on a shared PowerPoint, and I'll send that out next Monday. But use these next 3 days to dig into what is leadership to you in words. I mean, we have our matrix. You can definitely pull words from the matrix to help you concisely come up with a definition. I do think that the article today, the article tomorrow, and the videos on Thursday and Friday will be a big help to you in coming up with that. So that is all I have for now. I will be back, I think, next Monday to kind of sum that up. And then we will be looking at getting our 7 Habits books from the high school office by the end of the week this week. I'll send out more emails on that as I make sure that those books are rounded up. And then next week we'll actually start reading through that as we begin our exploration of who am I, or who are you, as a leader. I'm excited, you guys. I miss you. I miss your faces. I hope you're all doing well. Take care.